Today, the moon is in Virgo. It is the last day of 2023. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Time is moving so quickly. I'm Marina Ormes here with your Astro Vibe for Sunday, December 31st, 2023. And I just released a video on the election day 2024. I've been posting recently some videos about the astrology of 2024, some of the outer planet, bigger picture themes to be looking at and watching for in 2024. And then my gift for you, I guess, closing out the year is sharing a video about election day, the new moon in Scorpio that takes place just before election day, what to look for, what to watch for, and as always, how to make the most of it and take care of yourself through the process. Make the most of it through living your purpose and doing what it is you are here to do, whatever that is for you. So with today's Virgo moon, we have a focus on practicality, getting hands-on, thinking about details, what needs to be worked on or cleaned up or fixed as we go through the new year. I guess the transition from 2023 to 2024. The moon will be in Virgo today and tomorrow. So we have it's a great time to, if you maybe you have a little bit of time off, or with the day holiday on Monday, it's a great time to maybe think about some projects, some cleaning, some repair, working around the house, maybe making a nice meal, or definitely taking time to enjoy the fruits of the earth, and have indulge a little bit of indulgence. Virgo, of course, is, likes to be picky, right? Picky about what we're choosing, maybe picky about what we do or how it comes out. So don't be too hard on yourself, but do recognize that there is truly a satisfaction that can be had from engaging with the material of the earth. Whether that's cooking good food or getting outside and working in your garden. I know it's middle of the winter, so maybe it's working on a craft, right? Or fixing something around your house, or cleaning and clearing, which is also a way of doing magic, right? Changing the energy, out with the old, in with the new. So thinking about that as we go through the New Year's Eve ritual, whether you however you celebrate that, out with the old, in with the new. So really focusing on what we want to call in for 2024, and maybe doing a little bit of a tangible practice to clear out old energy. Get something in order that wasn't in order, that will support you going forward, and that could be a powerful practice. So happy New Year, and I will be back with you tomorrow for the first day of 2024 with the Virgo moon. So stay tuned. Be sure to go check out my video for election day in 2024. Some important things, big picture things for all of us to know that can help guide us through the challenges, the challenging times we're in, right? This is our particular flavor of challenge. Throughout history, there's always been something. This is ours. We're having it now. We're in the middle of it. And so the election might be an opportunity to choose what's important to us, and to either vote or take action that can affirm the bigger picture of principles and purpose for our lives, why we're here, and what we're going to do about it. So definitely check out my video on the astrology of 2024 about election day. And thanks for being here. And thanks for being with me throughout 2023. If you have been watching me regularly, and if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit subscribe because I'm sharing astrology for unshakable self-care in videos every day, and can provide guidance or insight, or maybe you just want to pop in and say, hey, what was going on today? So a great way to stay in alignment with the bigger picture of positivity and stay on track with your own self-care. All right, thanks for being here. You can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com, and it's a great time to sign up now for working with me if you're feeling called to that. Because I'm actually in the process right now of switching some things around and getting hopefully my website is going to be switched over. So at some point the rates are going to go up when I get everything in order. That's my Virgo project. So hope to see you there. You can work with me in a one-on-one session or purchase a package, which is really a great way to do it, because you get that in-depth support, understanding of your chart, and you really get to dive deep in ways that you don't in a single session. And that's it's a great way to save money too, and just rather than scheduling one session after another, just to go ahead and book a block of sessions, and then you've got them and you can use them throughout 2024. So learn more about that at astrologyheals.com. Email me at info@astrologyheals.com if you have any questions about working with me, or think you might be interested and having any trouble with the website or anything. Just let us know and we'll help you out. Thank you again, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year. Bye for now.